So here we go, we've got a letterbox that's completely come apart, flaps come off, so our aim is to replace it today. So this is the letterbox that we're replacing it with. So with the new letterbox, the thickness is just slightly bigger, so we need to take off a couple of millimeters just to be able to then slot everything in. So one thing I use when there's stuff that's a little bit sticky, so you can take labels off, or just having to clean your UPVC solvent cleaner, it works amazingly at getting all of like the sticky residue off, especially on glass and stuff like this as well. There we go.